Hello everyone, so today is 29 June and let's discuss what we are expecting tomorrow, and we have monthly expiry tomorrow, so please be careful. So coming to the end of the day data analysis, okay, so you'll see that huge number of positions have been closed in the futures. Okay, as I already told you that those were nothing but made to hunt the bears, and I think hunting of the bears is almost done. So let's see what will happen tomorrow. So tomorrow is a big day, and yes, and also the same which whatever positions have been closed, so they all almost the same amount has been added in the futures short positions also. Okay, and talking about the option chain data, so if you see that call short positions almost remains the same, but huge put short positions have been made. Okay, but there is something to note about that. Now also you would see that there are a lot of put long positions also, and the call short positions have all been hedged. Okay, but what about these put short positions? Okay, so the main thing is that yesterday I told you that put long was being done during the market hours. Put long was being done at 15,700 and 15,800, okay, or 15,600. Just go and check my Twitter post. I told you. And tomorrow, today morning, if you go and check that these positions, their price just went double in the morning, okay, due to the gap down. So I already told you yesterday that some down move is expected because put buying was there. Okay, and I told you not only looking at the end of the day data, I told you during the live market when put buying was being done, and I detected that. Talking about what happened on Monday also put buying was going on, and I told you that some move remains. The move will come the next day, and you saw that yes, again the move came the next day, and the put positions, their values were increased by 50% in the morning. So from the last 2 days, this is what the big players are doing. Okay, so they are buying puts the previous day, and the next day morning they are doing some gap down and taking the profits. Okay, so maybe tomorrow also the same thing might be done, but what they're doing is the put buyings they're taking the index up, and while they're taking the index up, they're doing put buying, and then the next day morning they are making a gap down and taking away the profits. Okay, because we the retail traders don't have such patience, and we generally close our positions that day. So that's what the advantage or whatever they are doing to fool the retail traders. But yes, as I kept on saying that these for the consecutive 2 days you have seen that it's correct. Okay, let's see what will happen tomorrow also. But whatever I have detected is that till 15,600 put buying was being done. 15,600, 15,700 put buying was being done. Okay, and then what about these put short positions? So these put short positions, let's go to the option chain. So if you look at 15,350, okay, here 15,350, 10.5 lakhs contracts have been added today. So the 5 lakhs contracts of the FIIs in the put side, so they could have been done here or at 15,500. Okay, so 15,500 also 18 lakhs contracts have been added today. And if you go further down, Then at 15,200, 15,200, 18 lakhs, no, sorry, 8.6 lakhs contracts have been added. Okay, so what they can do is, because I have detected put buying at 15,700 and 15,600, so there they could have done put buying. Okay, and let's talk about 15,700. There are in total 19.1 lakhs contracts have been added, but the surprising fact about 15,800 is that 15,800, if you saw during the intraday, more almost 34 lakhs contracts were added. Okay, and to take the market up. And then if you see at the end, overall it's no, at the end it's 6.2 lakhs contracts remains in the OI change I am talking about. So huge positions have been closed from the put side at 15,800. Okay, to maybe to morning it will take the market to 15,700 or below, but there is some resistance at 15,647 also, so might be something like this again might be done tomorrow to double the value of the put that have been bought. And then again you have to decide what fresh positions are being made. But do remember that tomorrow whatever positions are being made, those are only made for tomorrow, because it's monthly expiry, it's going to end there. So nothing about like continuing with this positions as positional trades or something. So that's what the thing is. And yes, if you see above 15,800, you see the put sides have all closed. Okay, and 15,800 was I would consider myself to be they were closing, so huge positions have been closed there. But overall there is 64.5 lakhs contracts at 15,800 on the put side, but 64.5 lakhs on the put side, and on the call side it's 67.2 lakhs contracts. Okay, out of which 11.7 lakhs contracts overall have been added today on the call side, 67.2 lakhs contracts. So still we could see that the call side is dominating. And coming down at 15,700, on the call side we have 29.4 lakhs contracts. Okay, and it's in the money, but still 4.2 lakhs contracts are open there. And on the put side 19.1 lakhs contracts have been added today, but in overall 79.1 lakh contracts are there. Okay, but there has been put buying at these strike prices. Please do be careful. Okay, 15,700 and 15,600. Even 15,600, 18 lakhs contracts have been added today, and overall 69.9 lakhs contracts are there. Okay, but if you see that the game, I think, which is being played is they would make a huge profit if market will be taken down. In the futures they would make huge profit, and the shorts, the new put short positions, I think they are far away out of the money. So till there, they might not take it, or they might close it even in the morning. And also you have to notice if they are doing more put shorts, okay, after taking a gap down, like they are playing for the previous 2 days. You see, the previous 2 days the same game has been played, the same game. You see, put buying the previous day, okay, Monday put buying, gap down, and again went up. While going up, put buying, and then again gap down, and again doing put buying. But tomorrow, if the same game is played, but then be sure that put shorts have to be done, and they have to be profitable. So so you should know. So the same game has been played for the 2 days, and yes, so we have to notice that. And overall there is a good amount of call short positions, and also there is a good amount of put buying positions also. So, and since the put futures long positions have been closed, and that huge amount has been added in the put short positions, so please do be careful. Okay, still view is bearish, and yeah. So let's talk about the selling. So you see that again almost the same amount has been sold by the FIIs and bought by the DIIs. So, and now we should also just talk about Bank Nifty. So for Bank Nifty, if you see that yes, it came down and it touched this support level. So, and whatever was the up move, I mean during the intraday, have all been I mean deleted by this down move, and I'm just expecting if this level is not broken, then further up move will be there. But if this level is broken, then you can go for 33,208, then you can go for short positions above it. So it depends on whether this level would act as support or resistance tomorrow. So that's the next thing about Bank Nifty. And let's come here. So yes, so Bank Nifty, a lot of call short positions have been done. So 33,500. So here 33,500. If you see that 10 lakhs contracts have been closed on the put side. So huge closing of positions on the put side, and on the call side huge short positions have been built up. That is 7.8 lakhs contracts have been added, and overall there are 22 lakhs contracts. Okay, and at 33,300 also at so on the put side 33,300 I'm talking about. On the put side there are 12.6 lakhs contracts, out of which 6.3 lakhs contracts have been added today. But on the call side it's 12.8 lakhs contracts. Okay, so 33,300. Okay, so there have been 11.4 lakhs contracts have been added today, and overall there are 12.8 lakhs contracts. Okay, so you can very well imagine that total there are 12.8 lakhs contracts and 11.4 has been added today. So almost the whole thing has been added today, 33,300. So you see that 33,300 is here. So there is a chance that this 33,208 would, Bank Nifty would go below, and this would act as resistance tomorrow. So we have to make sure of that when it goes down. And yes, and remaining, yes, the put short positions could also have been done in Bank Nifty also, but I don't see huge put shorts being done. Not good in numbers, like only at 33,000 we have a nice amount, like 33,000 here. Overall today 1.8 lakhs contracts have been added, not much, but 24.7 lakhs contracts are there overall, but there could be put buyings there, so please be careful. And that's for the Bank Nifty part. So Bank Nifty also put side doesn't look good, so call side is looking good. So yes, the thing is that for Nifty here again some gap down can occur, okay, or some down move can occur, but be careful about this level. And for Bank Nifty we are waiting for this level to act as support or resistance, and we discuss what happened in the option chain. Put buying also has been done today, so please be careful. And yes, this is how the indicators performed today. So you see that score increased, and then the index also came up, Nifty, but when it went up, then this up move was not supported. Nifty, the score came down, and finally Nifty also came down. Same for Bank Nifty, the same thing happened. When it went up, these up moves were not supported by the score. So there were gaps that were created, and finally Bank Nifty came down. But the money flow in Bank Nifty from the morning, it was showing bearish, that is negative money flow. But in Nifty, the main problem was that the money flow was positive. Okay, so whenever the Bank Nifty and Nifty, they are in the same direction, we get a nice move, huge move. But that's why we are not getting. So the same thing is happening for these the past 3 days. Either Bank Nifty money flow is positive, Nifty money flow is negative, or vice versa. Like the opposite thing is being done, so that Bank Nifty is being taken down, and while Nifty is being taken up, and or the opposite thing is being done. So I mean, that's what I'm watching for the past 3 days. So tomorrow, please be a little bit careful. If in the morning again, like the last Thursday, if you remember, huge put shots were done and then market was taken down. So please be careful that at lower, I mean just below where the index are, some put buyings have been done. So you have to be careful about that. And also futures positions, a huge amount has been added in the short position, so please be careful. Okay, so for the past few days I have been showing you that yes, my analysis are nothing but based on data points, and they do work. Okay, so please don't feel like don't do analysis like this, like I feel this. Okay, so always do analysis which are based on data points. Okay, so if you think like that, you are gambling. So don't do that. Keep learning, keep watching. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.